Sea turtles have an ancient and fascinating history, dating back over 110 million years, which means they existed during the time of the dinosaurs. Their evolutionary journey and survival through countless environmental changes make them one of the most resilient creatures on Earth. Sea turtles belong to the larger group of reptiles known as chelonians, which include all turtles and tortoises. The ancestors of modern sea turtles first appeared in the Cretaceous period, about 110 to 120 million years ago. Fossils of ancient sea turtles like Archelon, a giant sea turtle with a wingspan of over 12 feet, 3.6 meters, have been found, showing the enormous size and diversity of early species. Over millions of years, sea turtles have evolved unique adaptations that have enabled them to thrive in ocean environments. Unlike land-dwelling turtles, sea turtles evolved paddle-like limbs, flippers, for efficient swimming. While land turtles have domed shells, sea turtles developed more streamlined, flatter shells to reduce water resistance and allow for better movement in the ocean. Sea turtles survived the mass extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs about 65 million years ago. Their ability to live both on land, for nesting, and in the ocean may have contributed to their survival, as they could take advantage of various habitats and food sources. Over time, different species of sea turtles evolved, each adapting to specific marine environments and food sources. Today, there are 7 species of sea turtles, including green, leatherback, hawksbill, loggerhead, Kemp's ridley, olive ridley, flatback turtles. Sea turtles have long been a part of human culture. In many ancient societies, they were symbols of endurance, wisdom, and longevity. In some Pacific and indigenous cultures, they were revered as sacred creatures. Various indigenous groups, particularly in the Pacific Islands, have stories, myths, and artwork featuring sea turtles. For example, some Polynesian cultures view sea turtles as guides that help navigate the seas. As human civilizations developed, sea turtles faced increasing threats. For thousands of years, humans hunted sea turtles for their meat, eggs, and shells, especially the hawksbill turtle's shell, which was used to make jewelry and ornaments. Coastal development, beach erosion, and pollution began to degrade nesting sites and habitats. As commercial fishing practices expanded, sea turtles were increasingly caught accidentally in nets and on fishing lines. Sea turtles are a staple to the ocean ecosystem. They can be found worldwide and play distinct roles in their environment. Sea turtles can live long lives and migrate great distances. Unfortunately, however, as long as their lives may be, all 7 sea turtle species are threatened or endangered. Between predation and human activity, sea turtles often find themselves in distressing situations. When it comes to predators for sea turtles, adult turtles only have to watch out for certain sharks, like the tiger shark. Most sea turtle predators go after hatchlings. The path from hatchling to adult is enough of a struggle with only natural predators to worry about. When you add the human element, sea turtle populations can plummet. Plastic waste has become an increasingly alarming environmental issue with devastating consequences for marine life. Among the affected creatures, sea turtles stand out as particularly vulnerable to the harmful effects of plastic pollution. Sea turtles often consume single-use plastics or marine debris, which can lead to death. Human-caused light pollution near nesting beaches can also lead hatchlings astray when they emerge from nests. Baby turtles head toward the brightest thing they can see, which is often the ocean, and reflects the moon and starlight. Artificial light may confuse them, and they'll follow the light away from the water, where they can easily become prey. You can find ways to help sea turtles. A great way to start is to reduce single-use plastics. All waterways can eventually find their way to the ocean, so reduce plastic use, even if you're away from the coast. Every little bit helps. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to join me on the next one.